Good morning, student. I am Priyanka, and today we are going to discuss the question answers of the poem After the Storm, which is written by William Wordsworth. You all know about it. In this poem, poet wants to explain about the nature, beauty of nature. Okay? So, question number 1 is, what does the speaker describe in the first two lines? Was it just rain, or was it a storm? What kind of scene is described in the next two lines? Which words help create a contrast with the picture described at the start of the poem? So answer is, here the night was extremely stormy with a heavy rainfall. We all know about it. It was a storm because it was raining heavily and the wind was roaring. In the next two lines, the speaker describes about the next morning after the storm. He tells that the sun was rising calm and bright. The birds were singing and chirping with joy and happiness. But now is the words which is creating contrast. So in this poem we poet explain about the nature. Now next, question number 2. When the speaker says a bird broods over his own sweet voice, another bird chatters and the third makes answer. Is that just what he actually hears, or does he imagine what those birds think and mean? So answer is, he can hear the stock dove brooding and singing. The jay was answering the chatter of the magpie. So he explained about the birds, where the birds chatter, singing and answering. Now question number 3. What is question number 3? Look at the lines. And all the air, noise is usually an unpleasant sound, especially if it is loud enough to fill the air. Does it, however, depend on where the sound comes from and what mood we are in at the time? So yes, answer is yes, it is absolutely right to say that noise is usually an unpleasant sound, especially if it is loud. It really depends on the sound, sources from the sound comes, and what kind of mood a person is in at that particular time. In the above line, the poet describes that the atmosphere is filled with the pleasant sound of different water bodies, the stream, rivers, etc. So you can see here I have written filled with, not filled with. It's a atmosphere is filled with. Okay. Now next question is, all things that love the sun are out of doors. What things does the speaker mention? So in this line, the poet wants to mention about the creatures who loved the warmth of the sun have come out in order to feel the beauty of the day. So here the poet, in this line, poet wants to explain about the beauty of that day and the people, the creatures who wants to see the beauty. Okay, so now question number 5. What do you think the speaker means when he says that the hare is running races? So I think the speaker wants to admire the beauty of that pleasant day. He says the hare plays with the soil and moves swiftly here and there on the green wet grass. So it seems if she is playing and admiring the beauty of that day. So here the poet wants to admire the beauty when the hare is playing here and there, and droplets was also there. So it looks so beautiful. Okay, so these are the answers. Girls, please complete, write it in your copy. Thank you.